Alright, got the call yesterday to pick up a box at my local authorized dealer. I waited 2.5 months for this, so I was very excited to pick it up. It has been a watch that I wanted for a very long time, but always felt like it's too expensive, but it's so pretty, and finally decided to just get it because it's only going to get more expensive, and I just want to wear the watch. This is actually this is not my first Datejust, but it is the one I like probably the most. Without further ado, it is the yellow gold Wimbledon on Jubilee with fluted. In my opinion, the best combination there is for this model. And it's the first time that I've ever had a two-tone watch, especially with the bracelet. I have other watches which are either full gold, just a case on the leather strap, or gold bezel on the leather strap, but nothing as gold as this. It is the 36mm Datejust, and this is this iteration of the Datejust with the thinner lugs and the end links, which also have the extra Jubilee part in it. This is the best iteration in my opinion. Previous model I was always not really a fan of, thought the links were too bulky, but this is just perfection. Almost got it perfect with the crown straight up, but too bad, not this time. The dial is very beautiful. It has a very strong sunburst effect, and it really changes colors. Like, it can go from pretty dark to pretty light. It's a nice dial. Of course, some people will complain about there being only one marker with lume. I'm alright with it, because the hands at least have lume. It would have been a whole different story if the dial didn't have any, or if the hands didn't have lume. But yeah, this is my latest watch. Very pleased with it. It's a very nice watch. The biggest difference, in my opinion, with the normal steel one is just the added weight. This one is about 20 grams heavier. And you really feel it, because a lot of that weight is well, actually I think all the weight is within the bracelet. I mean, the crown is now also gold, it's normally steel, but the bezel is already white gold on the stainless steel model. So it really, the heft to the bracelet, and I must say it makes the bracelet much better actually. It gives it a way more solid feel than the steel one. Really pleased with that. Of course, got the booklets and everything, the warranty, you know, the stuff that you all know about. Yeah, so that's it. Quick look at my my latest watch purchase. If you have any questions about it, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.